Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to protect your Samsung Galaxy device with auto blocker feature. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Then scroll down little bit and tap Security and Privacy. Again, scroll down and under Additional Security Settings, you will see Auto Blocker. Tap Auto Blocker. Simply turn on the button beside Auto Blocker. Auto Blocker keeps your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity. As you can see, messaging app protection turned on. Also, block software updates by USB cable turned on. So by turn on auto blocker on Samsung Galaxy smartphone, you can protect your Galaxy device. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.